This particular incident is currently going on in Onitsha Head Bridge. As na nwa boy na-aga depositiri ọga ya ego na bank. We ihe pụtara na Head Bridge, a Nigerian police anawa ya ego. Ya na ya na struggle maka ego asikwa ego asi ha. Nigerian police ewere egbe gbagbuo this boy straight ahead. Hey. Ọkwa these people nọ na-ekwu na Finland si na Simon ekpagbu ihe na-egbuchi ndị mmadụ. Ọkwa ha nọ na-ekwu si na Simon. Can the world actually see what we have been passing through for so long? A boy na-agba boy gariga deposit ego nwa na-agba boy. Nigerian police, according to the story, these people say that those police people ihe ha nọ there to extort the citizens, the indigenes, the real owners of the land. Extorting them money every day by day without hesitation. All bụla ihe ndị Nigerian police ya na igbuchi ndị Igbo. Ha agba this boy egbe. They took his life immediately. They unalive this guy immediately. They unalive this guy. Anyway, watch the video.
The one who wants to see what is happening, they have been killing our youth for many years. So today in Onitsha Head Bridge, they shot one driver today as we are. Okay, trader. Then what happened, please? Can you give us?
I don't know really.
Exactly, but you heard that someone was shot. By who?
Yes.
Who shot
by
them?
Police. Now,
by Nigeria police.
Yes,
So
police.
this is what we have been facing for many years by the Nigeria criminal. You can see the Navy. Their work here is to collect money, bribe. You can see them. You can see them. Because we deal with them today. You can see them. Every day they are collecting money from this very... Here is our Ogahe Bridge. Our people were shot on 30th of August, 2015. Many Biafrans were shot dead on this very place, Ogahe Bridge. Today they killed another person. You can see our men have blocked Head Bridge as we speak now. As we are talking, thank you one more. So everywhere, no motor should be allowed to pass. So you can see what is happening. So it's like the police are trying to shoot. The police are. No. There's a soldier be here. Is it a soldier? No. Nobody should be shot. Oh no, have here. That time you want to. Today, to the night, You want you to hungry. You want you to hungry. You want you to hungry today. Today is today. Today is today. Today. So today, we are going. Today is today. Today is today. You see on the Head Bridge, it's totally blocked. On the Head Bridge is totally shut down by Igbo youth. Tata today. They have been killing our people for years. I believe that today is today.
This has been what we have been passing through in Biafra land. This has been what we have been going through in Biafra land. Every day Nigerian police will come and behead one person. Every day they will come and unalive one person. Tomorrow they will say it's Nnamdi Kanu. The next day they will say it's Simon Ekpa. The next day they will say it's the owners of the land. Look at it. This one is Nigerian police unaliving a boy that is still under his oga. That is still under his oga. His oga gave him money to go and deposit in the bank. The moment he step out, see police people, they were demanding money. According to the information, they say that these police people, they keep staying at this Head Bridge. Ali Igbo agaghị enwe peace. No peace. You cannot work in Anambra State with cool mind. Since the Soludo take over, ever since Governor Chukwuma Soludo took over in Anambra State, we don't have peace. It was this period that Governor Chukwuma Soludo took over that these people came and unalive a pregnant woman. Did you not hear it? They came to Anambra State Market. They unalive a pregnant woman where they were shooting sporadically. And like people that are mad. And anyhow. How? On a Biafra land, these people keep bringing war in our land. Our people have trooped out the streets because this is not the first time, not the second, not the third. Soludo is just concerned, his personal concern is just to make sure that he unalive everybody because he's looking for 2031 presidential whatever, Senate president. They want to finish Ndi Igbo. They want to hear our voice that these people want to finish us. Nothing else. They just want to finish Ndi Igbo. They were judging Simon Ekpa the other day. They said that Simon Ekpa is the person that have been unaliving people. Can you ask the people of Finland and those people that are bringing evidence to them, now that Simon Ekpa is in detention, is he the person that came to Biafra land to come and unalive this boy? Is it Simon Ekpa that came to Biafra land to come and unalive this boy? Ever since they took Simon Ekpa away, has there not been unaliving in Biafra land? These people keep slaughtering Biafrans like we are nothing. Like we are nothing. This is the news we are getting today. Today being the 19th of August 2026. This is the news we are getting. A boy that came out to come and serve his boss. Nwa boy na agbara oga ya boy. Enye ya ego, go and deposit Nigerian police unalive this boy. Because of how much? Because of money, oh. Because of money. Nothing else. Because of money. That is why they unalive this guy. Nothing else. The world should see, oh. The world should see what is happening in Biafra. And you see, when we are talking about this thing, it will look like we don't know what we are saying. The world should see what Nigeria is doing. This is why we continue to demand for our freedom. Let Nigerian police and their military navy, whatever they call themselves, leave Biafra land. We don't need them anymore. Because they keep taking our life. They keep taking our life. They keep unaliving us on a daily basis. They can never allow us to have peace of mind. They can never allow us to have rest of mind. This boy that came out today, his own is just gone, just like that. Is well.